Actually, I needed this type of sunglass, okay. What's up with everyone? I got up early today in the morning and I did some walking and everything. I didn't record so much. Yeah, so right now I'm having my coffee. Today I started from inside the home only. I made everyone silent here so that I can record. Uh, so even the breakfast is ready. I'll have it right now. And mom had no interest in making any breakfast today. Others got some delicious breakfast. For me, it's like bread omelette. So it's okay. It's for good for me only. It's high in protein. So today is going to be a very hectic day. A lot of things are there to be done. Today there is a lot of work and need to be finished. A lot of works because before going for a trip that you will be coming to know in couple of days. So I know I'm making videos little late and once in a week because I have lot of other office works and everything. So I'm sorry for that, but I'll do my level best to make 2 videos a week. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like any content, hit the like button. It's been long time I haven't used my bike yet. So today I thought of going out. There is some work, so I'll let you know what it is. And I thought of using my bike. First of all, I need to clean all this, and then even my car looks dirty. I need to clean all these things. It's a difficult task, but yeah, I have to do that. So let me clean. So today's plan is bike. So I'll go my bike. Remembered I just forgot my mask, which is now an important part of your life. So I told my mom to bring it, and also one scooty key so that I can move my scooty and take my bike outside. So yeah, I'm waiting for my mom. Taking my bike after a long time. I don't know last time when I take my bike off. And yeah, it is a weekend, so there is a rush also. I usually go by car only due to this climate. And today's weather is also too hot. I just wear shorts and came. That was a bad idea. Coming in a bike, I should have worn a pant. It's too hot. So actually, I want to go there, Forum Mall. Uh, I will tell you the purpose of visiting this mall. I have 2-3 things in there to do. The previous week only I did one a place. Actually, I placed something in there. So it's like I ordered something, so I need to do a pickup. Actually, it delivered. I was waiting for the weekend to come because in weekdays it is not possible to go. And today is lot of fun. So my bike is parked and now I'm moving to the mall. It's too hot and my hair is also messy right now due to helmet. That's why I don't like wearing a helmet, but it's important to wear helmet. Don't drive without wearing helmet, okay? At the mall and I'm searching for a place, not location of a store that I have to go. So this is the mall looks like. Whenever I see a KFC, I just like I want to go there. So guys, how do I look right now? Is this a good? Let me know in the comment section. Is the sunglass looking good? I bought it from Lenskart in the Forum Mall, and I'm happy with my selection. And do let me know in the comments if it's good for me. Okay. So there was an amazing deal here when I bought this, and also I bought one more thing. That is the spectacles for me. So I got a good deal in Lenskart. It's in Forum Mall. So now I will not be having a problem of. Actually, I needed this type of sunglass, okay, and you can see the reflection also. Actually, I wanted this from quite a bit of long time. I had another one, two sunglasses that you have already seen in the previous vlogs. So I've been using that. Recently, I ordered in the previous week, and I got this for a better deal, and that's why I bought it. So I was spent there around 1 hour. Actually, I had 2-3 works, and only one thing happened in the mall. So I was so tired that I had to buy this from a supermarket. Only one thing from the supermarket to relieve myself. And it looks pretty good, the sunglass it is. So yeah. I just replaced my parking receipt, and it took there 5 minutes to search where did I keep that, and finally found it in the pocket only. The first one I showed was something like other receipt of some other place, and he told it's not that, and I'm continuously fighting that it is that only. It looks good. Good when you clean your car. Heading to a pollution center. Because my car's pollution it's not yet taken. So because it's a new vehicle, so before going for a ride, I thought of taking all the necessary documents with me. So heading to that pollution. It's nearby only, but it's there right now. So it is open for around till 5 only, but I think I will be reaching soon. So yeah, before closing I need to go. Done with pollution testing, and yeah, they given me for 1 year. Actually, I didn't thought of 1 year. They given me for 1 year. I don't know why. I asked them. They told that for BS4 and above they are giving for 1 year, and they need to upgrade their sensor and everything. Okay, so right now I find that my hair is so messy, so I thought of trimming it little bit, and I'm going to a salon. So right now it's some hair salon. So going to cut my hair. The haircut is done, and yeah, it's good, pretty good. Shaving also good. Yeah. So one more task is finished, and now I am heading home. Left with one more thing in today's list. So yeah, I need to do that, and yeah, one mom's important work is there. That also I have to finish. That is going to the bank and doing something. Yeah, after that everything is done. Yeah, it's simple and easy. So no that much of thing that I thought of. Yeah, where is my new sunglasses? Yeah, I'm back with my new sunglasses onboarded. Going to church because there is one function in church, that is Christmas program is going on. So today is all the today is all the Christmas programs that is going to happen in the church. So me and my mom is going to the church and attending that function, and yeah, I think it will be good. Hope so. First time going to that church, so yeah, I'll show that glimpse of what is going on, everything. So reached church, and right now I need to be quiet and phone should be silent, so no light at all.
Oh, what will I say when I'm held to the flame like anybody, but if you don't, my hope is you. Oh, I know the sorrow, I know the hurt, although if you just say the word, but if you don't.
The program and all the other functions were good, and that programs and all the skit and other musics, all that things brought what to say, the memories back when I was young, and I used to do those all things, and it was good that days, that old time. Yeah guys, for that's it for today, and if you like any content of this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Adigos amigos, bye bye.